Good morning, students. Today we will see effects of refraction, and one of the effects of refraction is early sunrise and late sunset. As you know that we can see the sun rising when it is above the horizon, and when the sun is below the horizon, we consider the sun to be set. It is not rising. Now, it is found that the rising of the sun can be noticed few minutes before than actually it is below the horizon. It is not appearing to us. It is due to the refraction of light. Let us try to understand how it is. We can consider this as the earth and is surrounded by atmosphere. This can be considered as the horizon, where you can see right now the sun is below the horizon. That means a person standing here cannot see the sun right now. But when the refraction takes place, the same sun which is now below the horizon can be seen above the horizon, and for this man the sun is said to be rising, or sun rising takes place. So when the ray of the sun goes, it is considered that it is moving from the rarer to the denser medium. That means when the ray of light moves to this layer, where the bending of light will take place, as it is moving from the rarer to the denser medium, the bending has taken place. Now when this ray is produced back, the sun can be appeared above the horizon, and for this man it is seen that the sun has risen because it has come above the horizon. So it has been found that it takes place 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes before than actually sun is below the horizon. Now we have another effect which is called mirage. Mirage is the false impression of or false reflection of tree during the hot summer day when a person moves or goes in a hot desert or is moving along the hot road. Then it gives an appearance that to some distance ahead of a moving person there is a pool of water in which the reflection of tree is there. But when a person reaches the spot, he finds there is no water there and there is no reflection of tree. So this false impression or false reflection is only called mirage, which takes place in hot sunny day. So you can see this is also the effect of refraction. We can try to find out using the refraction how does it take place. But there is one more phenomenon acting here, which is called total internal reflection, because the same ray of light to a certain angle of incidence, when it becomes more than 90 degree, the ray of light does not refract anymore, but there is total reflection taking place. And because of this total internal reflection, the mirage takes place. You can see, let us suppose this is the ground where the tree is, and the reflection of the tree can be seen here, which also gives an impression as if there is water, but actually water is not there. Sorry. So let us say why it is. Suppose here is a man walking in the road in a hot sunny day. Now we can consider the ray of light of the tree coming from the denser to the rarer medium. Because since it is a hot sunny day, so the air near the earth will be very hot compared to the upper layer, and so it will be taken as the rarer medium. Cold air will be taken as the denser medium. So this ray of light, we can consider this as different layers of air, and the ray of light is now coming from the denser to the rarer medium, so there will be bending for each layer. But as this incident ray becomes or makes an angle of incidence more than 90 degree, then instead of any more refraction, there will be total internal reflection, and the whole ray of light will be reflected. Now this reflected ray, when it is produced back, we can see the trees or the reflection of the trees here, which also gives an appearance of the pool of water fallen over there. But actually it is not so, it is just an illusion, which is the false reflection of the tree, because when you reach the same spot, you do not see anything over there. Neither the water fallen there, nor there is reflection of tree. This is called mirage.